A master station. A master station is a designated area on a ship where crew and passenger gather during an emergency. It's a safe spot where everyone is accounted for and instructions are given on how to proceed during various emergencies. Procedure in the different types of emergency. Number 1. Fire alarm. When the fire alarm sounds, proceed calmly to the master station and follow safety instructions. Evacuate if needed using the nearest exit. General alarm. This means there's a serious emergency, fire, collision, etc. Everyone must immediately go to the master station or follow a specific emergency procedure. Abandon ship alarm. A series of short blasts signals you to prepare for evacuation. Head to your master station and be ready to board lifeboats or raft. Man overboard signal. A continuous sound indicates someone has fallen overboard. The crew will take immediately action to rescue the person and others should remain alert. CO2 alarm. If the CO2 alarm goes off, it means a fire suppression system is activated. Evacuate affected areas and follow the crew's instructions. Engineer's call. This is call for engineers to handle machineries or technical issue. Crew should stay out of the engine room unless trained to assist. Cargo hold flooding. If water enters the cargo hold, it's serious risk. Follow crew orders and head to safe areas. The ship's crew will try to stabilize the situation. Pollution prevention. This alarm means the ship might be releasing harmful substances into the water. Crew must take steps to stop pollution, and everyone should stay informed. Engine room flooding. If the engine room floods, it's crucial to contain the water and prevent further damage. Follow emergency procedures and evacuate if needed. Importance of training and drills. Training and drills are essential for keeping everyone prepared in case of an emergency. They help everyone know exactly what to do, where to go, and how to stay calm. Regular drills save lives and ensure a quick, organized response when things go wrong.